Okay, I have a Brinks padlock. It is a 6-pin, and I believe it does have all spools in it, the way the feedback is. The lock does work. It's locked up. It's not key retaining. This is the bitting on the key. Got 3 low cut pins and 3 high cut pins, I believe. But the key can be removed with the lock unlocked. Okay, the lock is locked now. So let's put it in the vise here and see what kind of pins are actually in this lock. I know it feels like it has spools. Okay, we're going to use top of the keyway. Okay, we are locked, and we're going to use this pick. So let's okay, we touch pin 3, I believe, and got a little false set. Let's go all the way to the back. Okay, getting a little feedback on pin 5, I believe. Okay, we lost our false set. See if we can get it back. Okay, I believe we got a little bit of the false set back. Okay, feels like pin 3 is giving us some feedback. Okay, got pin 3 set, I believe. Okay, feels like the only thing's holding us up now is, no. Okay, pin 6. See what other pin's holding us up. Okay, I believe that was pin 5 then, and getting some off of pin 4. Okay, pin 1. Okay, we're getting a little bit more off pin 3 now. Okay, there's pin 3. Okay, we just got one more holding us up. I believe it is pin 6. It's a hard one to get to. See if we can get pin 6 set. Come on, pin 6. There we go. It's open. Yep, hard to get to that pin 6 for some reason. Okay, let's okay, that's not a Phillips in there. Let's try this one. See if that's it. Okay, I believe that's it. Put that over here. We don't need it. Okay, let's see what type of clip is on here. Okay, it doesn't have a clip. It unscrews just like a slag lock, I believe. And we got a key. We locked it back, I think. No, we didn't get it locked back. Okay, we're fine. Alright, let's see if this is the right follower for it. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's see what type of pins we have in the plug. Standard, 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 and standard. All 6 bottom pins are standard. There is no counter milling or threading on the plug. Alright, let's check and see what type of pins we have in the top. Excuse me just a moment. Just dropped the set out of my ring, no problem. Forgot I don't wear rings. Alright. Pin number 1 is a, serrated spool. Pin number 2 is a standard spool. Pin number 2 is standard spool. Pin number 3 is a standard spool. Okay, pin number 4 is a standard spool. I think all these spools are a little different in design. A little bit different. Okay, number 5 is just another standard type spool. And number 6 is a standard type spool. Okay, it does have some high and low springs in the Bible, so that would give you a little bit different type of feedback. Let's look at these pins just a little bit closer if we can. Okay, this is a serrated pin spool. Standard spool, but this spool here is a little bit shorter than this one. This is a little bit longer spool, not quite as pronounced on the ends. This is another standard spool, and this is another standard spool. Okay, I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you very much. I really appreciate it.